Okay, we're back with the F-18. It's been raining, so the grass is still a little wet. You see the elevator servo covers have been put on since. The flaps have been adjusted. They've been each brought down half a turn, and with that at the end of the last trip, I saw that the left stabilator, the leading edge was a little bit further down. So that was readjusted. So hopefully everything's all centered now.
Flaps 1.
Oh, and I lessened the deflection of the flaps. Flaps normal. Oh yeah, okay. Now it feels perfectly centered. Mechanically centered. The sun decided to come out.
Low battery. 2 minutes and 4 seconds, 22.2 volts. Battery. 1 minute and 18 seconds, 22.2 volts. Low battery. Low battery.
Okay, it's getting close to time to land. Gears are coming down. Landing from the right.
Clear to land.
Okay. Roger. Whoa. Why does it do that?
Flaps 2, flaps 1.
Coming in at a hot angle. Oh, oh, that was a wing scraper. Okay.
Flaps